In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new workspace and add members in Asana on PC. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can get set up quickly and confidently. First, open your web browser on your PC. Any modern browser works well. Make sure you're connected to the internet and have your Asana login details ready. Next, go to asana.com. Take a quick look to ensure you're on the official site before you continue. On the homepage, click Login. Sign in with your existing account credentials or the method your company uses. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight to your Asana home. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. This opens a menu with your personal and account options. From there, click Settings to open your User Settings window. Inside Settings, select the Account tab. This is where you'll find options related to your account-wide preferences and access. In the Account area, look for My Workspace. Here you'll see an option to create a new workspace. Click Create New Workspace. Now give your new workspace a clear descriptive name. Choose something that makes sense for your team or project so everyone can recognize it at a glance. A good name helps keep things organized and reduces confusion later. If you want to bring teammates in right away, click Add Members. This lets you invite people who will collaborate with you in this workspace. In the field provided, type the email address of each person you want to add. Double-check spelling to ensure invites go to the right people. You can typically add more than one person, and you can always invite additional members later if you prefer to start small. When you're finished naming the workspace and adding the email addresses of the people you want to invite, click Create. Asana will set up the new workspace and send invitations to the members you added. You'll be taken into the workspace environment where you can start organizing projects and tasks immediately. That's it. You've opened your browser, gone to asana.com, logged in, accessed your profile settings, navigated to account, used the My Workspace area to create a new workspace, named it, added members by email, and clicked Create. Follow these steps anytime you need a fresh workspace for a new team or initiative. Thanks for watching and enjoy organizing your work in Asana.